In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section background image on Wix in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your website editing skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Wix site, heading straight into the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens, and you can really start to tailor your website's appearance exactly the way you envision it. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the section you want to work with. You might have multiple sections on your page, each with its own unique purpose. Identifying the right section is crucial because that's where your new background image will reside. After selecting the section, take a look at the toolbar options, find the one that says Change Background and give it a click. This step is like opening the gateway to a world of creativity, as you'll be able to select the perfect image that complements your web design goals. Now within the Change Background menu, you'll see several options, but for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the image option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose an image for your background. You've got options here. You can either upload your own image by selecting Upload Media, or delve into Wix's extensive gallery of free media. Choosing between your own media and Wix's library depends on what fits best for your design strategy and aesthetic preference. If you're uploading your own media, ensure that it's high quality and aligns with your website's theme. Alternatively, if you decide to explore Wix's free media options, you're in for a treat. They offer a variety of professional and stunning visuals that might just fit your vision perfectly. When you've made up your mind, go ahead and select the image that speaks to you. It's always a great practice to preview and maybe even test a few images to see how they interact with your other site elements. Once you've made your selection from the free media options, hit select on your chosen image to move forward. With your image selected, the final step is to click on Change Background again to apply the image to your section. And just like that, you've successfully added a background image to your chosen section on your Wix site. Now take a step back and admire your work. You've just enhanced your website's visual appeal, making it more engaging for your visitors. This process not only allows your creativity to shine through, but also helps to solidify the aesthetic design that resonates with your audience. Keep experimenting with different images and sections to keep your site fresh and appealing. Thanks for following along and happy editing.